はい、皆さん、こんにちは。金谷と申します。よろしくお願いいたします。この動画について、皆日本語の第14課を勉強していきましょう。はい、それでは、始めましょう。Okay, so pag-aaral natin ngayon ay yung te form plus kudasai. Okay, kailangan natin yung verb na ka-te form. So, pinag-aralan po natin to before, yung about kay te form. Then, after nun, lagyan natin ng kudasai para maging please do. Okay, use to command something to the listener. So please do your best. Gambate kidasai. So si gambate kidasai is nanggaling kay gambarimas. Na ibig sabihin is do one's best. Ayan, to command the person. So gambarimas is a group 1. Ang gagawin natin kay gambarimas is gambate, yung kanyang te form plus kidasai. Gambate kidasai. Please wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. because we are going to concert tomorrow. So, 明日、コンサートに行きますから、6時に起きてください. So, 起きます is group 2, to wake up. And then special verb to, ite-form natin as delete lang yung mas, then put te. Okite, okite, then plus kudasai. Okite kudasai. Please take off your shoes. Kutsuo noide kudasai. Okay, nugimas is group 1. Kasali siya sa Ichiri Bimini, Kigi, no? Kasama si Gi, dinilit si Gimas, ipinal si Ide. Sinuide kidasai. Next, verb te form imas. Ito po yung progressive form. Ibig sabihin kasalukuyang ginagawa with ing. Okay, this sentence indicate that a certain action or motion is in progress. So, kasalukuyan mong ginagawa. So, I teaching Nihongo now. So, ima, Nihongo o shiete, imas. Okay, naka-te form siya. Ite-form mo si oshimas dahil group 2 yun, oshiete, then put imas. Para makuha natin yung ing, progressive form. Oshiete imas. What are you doing now? Nani o shite imasu ka? Ima, nani o shite imasu ka? Oshimas, te-form ni shimas shite, then put imas. So, ima nani o shite imasu ka? I'm doing exercise with my friend. So, tomodachi to undo shite imasu. Undo shimasu, undo shite imasu. Okay, verb mashoka, shall I? So when the speaker is offering something to the listener. Kapag nag-offer po yung speaker dun sa listener, na gawin yung isang bagay. Okay, shall I call the taxi? Taxi, yobi mas shuka. Okay, siya po ay yobi mas. Nanggaling siya kay yobi mas. Dinilit si mas form at ikinabit si mashoka. Kaya nakuha natin yung shall I. So taxi yobi mashoka. Shall I open the light? Denki o tsuki mashoka. Tsukemas, dinilit lang yung mas, pinatan si Mashoka. Denki o tsukemashou ka? Shall I deliver this? Kore o todokemashou ka? When describing natural phenomenon, okay, subject is indicated with particle ga. So, halimbawa, it's raining. Phenomenon kasi, natural phenomenon kasi itong rain. So, ang automatic particle niya is ga. Ame ga futeimasu. Naka-progressive yung raining, no? With ing kasi siya, kaya futeimasu. Yesterday, there's an earthquake at Yokohama. So, kino Yokohama de Jishin ga arimashita. So, put particle ga dahil natural phenomenon din naman yung Jishin, yung earthquake. Okay, これで終わりましょう。皆さん。はい、お疲れ様でした。